Hi, I'm Katie Swafford with the MD News Network. We're here in the windy city of Chicago at the AMA, CMA, BMA International Conference on Physician Health 2010, talking to doctors about physician health and resiliency in the 21st century. Here's what they had to say.
This conference is so important. We've had some conversations about the values that we use to align our careers, that we use to align our healthcare systems. This is an opportunity for leaders around the world to come together and share best practices in physician health. So not only is it an amazing opportunity for networking and knowledge translation, but it's also a place where people come together and generate new, innovative ideas. And also a chance to really support and sustain each other in work. Because physician health work is wonderful, but at times it can also be extremely challenging. So it's great, and I thank the American Medical Association for really taking the lead this year and hosting an amazing meeting. Thank you.
Well, these conferences are wonderful. I mean, I've been presenting at these physician health conferences since the early 1990s, and I did come here because I have given some presentations, and I think it's essential for people who are experts in this field from various countries to come together and to exchange knowledge, because we really learn from what's going on in each other's country, and I learn so much just from listening to what's going on in other countries and hearing the research that other people are doing. It's an excellent conference.
Conference has been fantastic. We've got great presenters, internationally known folks, and every session I've attended has been content-rich and heartfelt. I'm glad I came.
I want to give my congratulations to the organizer. I think that every year is improving, so I think they are doing a very good job. I think that every 2 years some people who are working in the health physicians can meet together and talk and reflect about this issue. Is very important. So well done, and for the next year I hope you keep on doing things.
Physician health has really arisen out of physician burnout and physician addiction and drug use, and that's great, and clearly we need to pay attention to that. But I would love to see an expansion of, and I think we are starting with this conference, an expansion to healthier lifestyles that are for all physicians. They don't have to be addicted. They can just be a regular physician who's struggling to eat healthy, to be more physically active, to manage their stress, and so I would like to see this conference expanded to provide more tools, more workshops to really help all physicians. And I think that will grow the conference, because it's still a relatively small conference, but once we open up the door that it seems relevant to all physicians. Watch out, world.
What I've gotten out of it, I was hoping to get this, is that my struggles are similar to other doctors' struggles, and not only that, but they're finally being addressed. I think that we've had, as in many professions, a real sort of good soldier mentality and a willingness to sweep under the rug some of these issues, and I think that we'll all be healthier for really looking at them.
It is fantastic. There so many wonderful people that I wish I had time to meet everyone, and knowing that a lot of them have traveled from Norway and Britain and Australia and all over the world to come here, it's fantastic. I also think that the networking opportunities here are immense, because if you need to help a colleague or find a resource for somebody, you can make a connection here that can give them exactly what they need. And just there's a lot of heart here. People who are teaching mindfulness courses to medical students on their own time and traveling around and spreading the word. So it's a very compassionate and devoted group.
I'm really enjoying the conference, learning lots. There are people here from Finland, England. I've heard a lot of interesting perspectives, some from New Zealand, and so it's been truly a world conference with lots of input from around the world.